Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 231. If we start with this box, we're missing 1, 2, and 5. We've got a 1 here and a 5 here, so this is our 2. That 5 makes this our 1, 5. For this box, we're missing 2, 3, and 9. We've got 3 and 9 here, so this is our 2. 9 here, so 3, 9. For this box, we're missing 1, 2, and 4. We've got 1 and 2 here, so this is our 4. But I don't see any other help. So 1, 2, 1, 2. For this bottom row, we're missing 5 and 7, and I don't see any help. So 5, 7, 5, 7. For this row, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got a 3 here, so 8, 3. For this row, we're missing 4 and 6, and I don't see any help. So 4, 6, 4, 6. For this row, we're missing 1, 6, and 7. We've got 1 and 6 here, so this is our 7. I don't see any other help. So 1, 6, 1, 6. For this column, we're missing a 7. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, and 3. We've got a 1 here, so 2, 3, 2 here, so 1, 3. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, and 9. We've got the 2 here, so 1, 9. And no help here, 1, 2, 9. For this column, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 3 here, so 9, 3. For this column, we're missing 1, 5, and 6. We've got a 1 here, so 5, 6, no help here, 1, 5, 6, and no help here, 1, 5, 6. For this box, we're missing 1, 5, and 6. We've got 5 and 6 here, so this is our 1. That 1 makes this our 6, 1. And we'll do some cleanup here. With that 6, we can get rid of this 6. With that 1, we can get rid of this 1 and this 1. All right, for this column now, we're missing 2 and 5. And I don't see any help. So 2, 5, 2, 5. But that means the only place the 1 can be in this box is here. And that 1 makes this our 2, 1, 9, 2, 3, 1. This 2 makes this our 5, 2. For this row now, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 6, 8. That 6 makes this our 4, 6. For this box now, we're missing 5 and 7, and I don't see any help. So 5, 7, 5, 7. For this top row, we're missing 4, 7, and 9. We've got 4 and 9 here, so this is our 7, 4 here, so 9, 4. That 7 makes this our 5, 7, 5, 7. For this column now, we're missing a 5. For this column, we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 3 here, so 6, 3. And this 5 makes this our 6, 5. And to finish out this box, we're missing 2 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 2 and 8. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.